Hey smart shoppers! Welcome back to another exciting episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of processors, pitting two titans against each other, the AMD Ryzen 57600X and the AMD Ryzen 77800X 3D. First up, the all-important price category. Ryzen 57600X comes in at a wallet-friendly $299. Meanwhile, the Ryzen 77800X 3D is strutting its stuff with a price tag of $449. Ouch! Looks like Ryzen 7800X 3D is ready to drain your bank account faster than a Vegas weekend. But hey, sometimes you gotta spend big to win big, right? Let's talk cores. The Ryzen 57600X is packing 6 cores, which is pretty solid. But the Ryzen 77800X 3D is flexing with an impressive 8 cores. It's like bringing a knife to a gunfight. The Ryzen 77800X 3D is clearly flexing its muscles here. More cores mean more multitasking, so if you're a multitasking maniac, you know which way to lean. Next, let's dig into cache memory. Ryzen 57600X offers 6 MB of L2 and 32 MB of L3 cache. Not bad, right? But wait. The Ryzen 77800X 3D is here to overcompensate with 8 MB of L2 and a whopping 96 MB of L3 cache. Talk about a memory hoarder. The Ryzen 77800X 3D is like that friend who remembers every embarrassing thing you've ever done. While the Ryzen 57600X is more like, I vaguely recall you doing something silly once. Now, let's crank up the clock speed. The Ryzen 57600X boasts a speedy 4.70 GHz. Meanwhile, the Ryzen 77800X 3D runs at a more modest 4.20 GHz. Looks like the Ryzen 57600X is the hare in this race, while the Ryzen 77800X 3D is the tortoise. But remember, slow and steady sometimes wins the race. Or at least, that's what the tortoise keeps telling himself. Graphics time. Both processors come with AMD Radeon graphics controllers. So it's a tie here, folks. It's like both processors showed up to the party wearing the same outfit. Awkward, but hey, at least they both look good. Finally, let's talk overall performance. The Ryzen 77800X 3D, with its extra cores and cache, is designed for heavy-duty tasks and multitasking. Meanwhile, the Ryzen 57600X is no slouch and offers great performance for everyday tasks and gaming. Think of it this way. The Ryzen 57600X is your dependable sedan, while the Ryzen 77800X 3D is that flashy sports car you've always wanted. Both will get you where you need to go, but one does it with a bit more flair. Reviewers love the AMD Ryzen 57600X for its affordability and excellent performance in gaming and everyday tasks. It's a solid choice for gamers and general users alike. On the other hand, the AMD Ryzen 77800X 3D receives praise for its multitasking capabilities and efficiency, making it a top pick for those who need that extra power for heavy-duty tasks and gaming. So which one should you buy? If you're on a budget and need solid performance, go for the Ryzen 57600X. But if you want to splurge and have a need for speed, the Ryzen 7 7800X 3D is your best bet. That's all for today, smart shoppers. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more juicy product comparisons. Drop a comment below and let us know which processor you'd pick and why. Until next time, keep buying smart. Product links are in the description.